Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to view all shared videos in a Telegram channel using your PC. If you're looking to find entertaining clips, informative videos, or any content shared within your favorite channels, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. If you're not logged in yet, just enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see your chat list and channels displayed on the left side of the screen. Next, let's find the channel you want to explore. You can either scroll through your list of channels or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the one you're interested in. Once you've found it, click on the channel to open it. Now that you're inside the channel, look for the channel's name at the top of the screen. Clicking on the name will open the channel info page, where you'll find various details about the channel, such as its description and member count. In the Contact Info section, you'll see several options. Look for the one labeled Videos. Clicking on this option will take you to a dedicated area that displays all the videos shared in the channel. This feature makes it incredibly easy to access video content without having to scroll through endless messages. As you browse through the Videos section, you'll see thumbnails of each clip, allowing you to quickly identify what you want to watch. If you're searching for a specific video, take a moment to look through the collection and find the one that piques your interest. When you find a video you'd like to view, simply click on it. The video will open in a player, allowing you to watch it in a larger format. You can pause, play, or even download the video, depending on your preferences. This convenience ensures you don't miss out on any great content. And there you have it.